Welcome to the series Cooking with Somali Radio. My name is Anna and I'm here with my colleague Angelica today, and we are going to be preparing minted veggie pita pockets with feta cheese. For our ingredients today, we have green onions, bell pepper, romaine lettuce, we have mint, yogurt, and garlic cloves. We have feta cheese, whole wheat pita pocket bread, garbanzo beans, and for our spices today, we will be using ground cumin and cayenne pepper. So before we get started, let's wash our hands and wash our produce.
First of all, we started off with washing our hands and washing our produce to make sure that they were nice and clean. The first step that we did was mash our garbanzo beans in a bowl to a nice pasty consistency, but a little bit chunky. The second thing that we did was combine the yogurt, red peppers, green onions, mint, garlic, and cumin. But before that, we had to chop up our bell peppers. For us to have a beautiful combination of colors, we used the green, the yellow, and the red bell peppers. Along with that, after we minced our garlic, minced our mint as well. We combined all of them all together along with our yogurt and all our vegetables and our spices, which was cumin and also a little bit of cayenne. If you like it really spicy, you should add a little bit more. Some of us really do love spicy. After we combine all of our ingredients, next step is obviously to assemble it. We open up our pita pocket. Either if you like a lot of lettuce, you could put in some lettuce, or if you don't, put in some of the mixture that we made of the minted veggie inside and top it off with a little bit of feta cheese.
So today's recipe that we made, the minted veggie pita pockets with feta cheese, is a really simple recipe that you can duplicate at home. There's steps in there that you can involve your children with. There's also room to substitute different ingredients if, let's say, you have different vegetables on hand, or you may not prefer some of the vegetables that the recipe calls for. So this creates a really well-rounded meal. It contains 4 out of the 5 food groups that we see in the My Plate model. So for our grains, we have the whole wheat pita pocket that we used. Whole wheat products have more nutrients than their white counterpart. So we're getting a lot more fiber and B vitamins when we're consuming whole wheat products. For our dairy, we had low-fat yogurt and also feta cheese. Feta cheese is lower in fat and in calories than some of its softer cheese counterparts, such as mozzarella or cheddar. For our protein today, we used garbanzo beans. Beans are a really great protein source and also a cheap protein source. For vegetables, we used a variety of colors to ensure that we're getting the different vitamins and minerals that are associated with those different colors. So we used yellow, red, and green bell peppers, the lettuce, and the green onions. Thank you for joining us today in the first video in the series Cooking with Somali Radio.
dalkaagii hooyo waxaan ahay laga